Hello everyone, this is Justin Greer with Greer Racing Parts of Fuel. The wonderful people at A&A Manufacturing in Michigan have sent me some adjustable trailing arm brackets for all you iStock, street stock, factory stock guys who are allowed to run metric trailing arms that can adjust up and down on the housing. These are 3/16 steel, and as you see that they have 4 different holes at an angle, and they're on the correct radius for GM trailing arms so that the mounts are on the proper angle to fit the chassis. So what that means is these are cut, so basically you won't have to do much fabrication at all. They should bolt directly right up to your housing on your 9-inch or floater, whichever one that you have. And then you have your shock mount back here that you can drill your shock for if you choose to. And so these are really nice since you don't have to do all the cutting to fit. They're already critiqued and angled for you, so it'll make life so much easier. These kits are $52.50 a pair. They can ship you directly from their website, anemanufacturing.com, or also here at Greer Racing Parts and Fuel, I can ship them for you. I'm going to start carrying these in stock also. But thanks everyone. You have a great day.